So guys, intraday trading is one of the toughest forms of trading, right? So in general in trading, the lower the time frame, the tougher it gets. And if you want to be successful in intraday trading, you need to bring a lot to the table, right? So you need to have knowledge, you need experience, you need risk management, and above all, you need to master your emotions. Okay. So we thought that why not create a quiz that can assess your readiness for intraday trading and provide you feedback so that you can improve on the areas where you might be lacking. Okay. So we have created that quiz, and the link to that quiz is in the description below. And it's not a very long quiz. It should not take more than 5 minutes. So if you're thinking about intraday trading, I will strongly recommend you to take that quiz. So go ahead, take the quiz. And if you can think of some ideas for making the quiz better, do let us know in the comments below.